Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a look at the streaming webcam from Toucan. And Toucan sent us this for the review. So it's a pretty neat little camera here. Let's take it out of the box. Let's see what it can do. All these things in this box. Let's see. Cardboard. Okay. Instructions. All right, so that's what's in the box. So let's take a look what that is. Well, first up is a really long, oh, look at this, USB-C cable, right, with the USB-A on the other end. So that's kind of nice. It comes with a clamp, so you can hook this onto your computer, right, including this little screw which must hold on the camera. So it has a nice rubber surface here and a nice rubber surface here on the clamp. And, oh, it even has a little thing to remove on the lens, which you've got to remember to see that because it's really small. All right, so it's a nice little camera. It's got very simple mount from the looks of things. I guess it swivels up and down. And then it has the mount here. Hook this on here. Alrighty. Well, that mounts, that's nice and tight, and there's a, oh, that's nice. So the screw on the other end has one of those metal things that you can use to snug it down with. And there's your camera. And then you just mount this, you know, on your computer. I guess it's probably backwards here. Let's see. You can mount it on your computer, so you would just hook it on like this. And now you have a webcam. And it does have a microphone, so that's really nice. That's pretty much it. But it is. It says here that it's HD 1440p, so that's the maximum resolution the camera will do. It is an omnidirectional mic, and it does 60 frames per second, so that's kind of nice. It should be good video, and it has about an 89-degree field of view. So I think, you know, when looking at it from that perspective, if you're using it as a webcam on your computer, 89 degrees seems like it's sufficient. So. Okay, I've hooked up the Toucan Connect W100 to my MacBook Air, and I'm running a Zoom meeting, and I'm doing a Zoom recording. So this is what it sounds like. This is what it looks like on the Mac, on the MacBook Air, that is. And now let's take a look at what it looks like using the Toucan Connect W100 camera. Okay, switching the camera. Okay, we switched the microphone. So here you go. You look at it and you notice it's a much wider field of view. As a matter of fact, both wider and taller than the built-in camera here on the Mac. And it looks great. My picture looks good. It's got a good scene. Let's take a look at some motion here. I'll move my hand back and forth. Everything looks really good. So pretty decent. And I can also, the camera lets me tilt it. So I can actually tilt it up and down. It's actually a little bit of that stand allows you to make movements if you want to do it, or of course I can move my laptop screen. That's it. That's the Toucan streaming webcam. Thank you.